Hi, Frank. Yes, we are here in West LA. This is University High School. We're just after 10 a.m. this morning. The University High School got a call about a person armed with a gun on campus. So that prompted a response by the LA City School PD as well as the LA PD. You can see a pretty large response here by both agencies as well as the city fire, the fire department. We haven't heard about anyone being located on campus armed, but they are taking this seriously. They are going room to room. They will search the entire campus and determine whether there is indeed a threat here at University High School. In the meantime, it will be students will be on lockdown while they continue their search. That's the latest from over West LA. I'll send it back to you in Hollywood.